I actually found this headboard set, head and footboard set, garbage picking, and I'm going to actually fix it up. I am actually keeping the green on here. I'm just going to touch up with spots on different, with different greens and stuff like that. It's going to come out really cool. And so, yep, you'll be seeing that after I get done spray painting it. You'll see all the different stuff on it. And then when it's all done, all together, I will show you that. See, I get spray little stuff like that. Because I like the green. I don't want to change the color. I'm doing this for my mom. It matches her room. Her color sequence and everything. Or coordinates, whatever you call it. But hey, that's what I'm going to do. Of course, I'm not done with it yet, and I try to do it two-toned. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm not sure. Because the one paint I bought, the aerosol don't work in it, so I'm going to have to take it back. But see, the green's similar. You can see the other shades of the green, but I'm not done with that. I got to let it dry some, and of course, do the other side. But yeah, I was bummed out that that one didn't work. See, this is the one I want to use. It's the Deep Mint, but the part don't work on it. It's almost a full can. So yeah, I'm disappointed, but I just got to return it. And this is the other color. That is called Willow Green. So yep, I wanted to do it two-tone, but I don't know yet what's going to happen. But hey, here you go. So far, you'll find out. It's these four paints right here that don't have aerosol, that don't work, and are almost full. One's actually full. This one's full, and it don't even have a thing on top. And these ones are, yeah, they're like probably right up to here. So, yeah, because this one's like up to, yeah, like these are all up to here, and this one hasn't even been touched because of that. I'm like, are you serious? But yeah, this is from I was doing a bed frame. You'll see that in another video. But yeah, I just thought I would show you why I gotta turn my paints that don't work. Yep, this is the other side I'm doing. Okay, this is a lot better. The other thing was an epic fail. A lot better. We had to order a nice mattress from Wayfair. Wayfair is just what I need.